Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make croissant cinnamon rolls full guide. Begin by preparing chilled croissant dough and a simple cinnamon sugar filling, then roll the dough tightly to create defined layers. Slice the log into even rounds, proof briefly until puffy, and bake at moderate heat until deep golden brown. Finish with a warm glaze and let cool slightly before serving for ideal texture and flavor. Handle the dough gently and keep everything cool to protect the butter layers that create flakiness, and mix your cinnamon sugar to taste, but measure for consistency. Roll the dough to an even thickness so slices bake uniformly, and avoid overfilling to prevent leaking during proofing and baking. Use a sharp knife or dough scraper for clean cuts, and give rolls a short proof for lightness before they go into the oven. If you're enjoying this full guide, please subscribe and like to support more baking content and help others find it easily. It really helps my channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, which makes kitchen cleanup after baking so much easier and almost effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Bake the rolls until the exterior is a deep golden color and the interior is set yet tender, testing visually and by touch rather than exact minutes. While they bake, whisk a simple glaze of powdered sugar and milk or cream to your preferred consistency, and apply it while the rolls are warm so it sinks into the crevices. Allow a short cooling period on a rack so the bottoms stay crisp and the glaze firms up perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.